Permanent hair straightening at home with natural ingredients. The beauty of women's hair is something that always concerns her. There are many different fashions and hairstyle, and too often an abundance of chemicals are present in hair products used by women. These chemicals damage to the tips of their hair. Because of this, it's best to use natural recipe to moisturize the hair and also to straighten the tips. Number 1. Egg and olive oil mask. Fold 2 eggs into 1 tablespoon of olive oil, making a smooth mixture. Apply the mixture to the hair and leave it for 1 hour until the product dries. Then rinse. Apply the product twice a week to have a natural straightening effect. Number 2. Banana and milk mask. Mix 2 ripe bananas and half a glass of milk until it forms a creamy mixture. To start the natural straightening treatment, apply the cream to wet hair and leave it for 30 minutes before rinsing. Repeat the process 3 times a week. Number 3. Coconut and cornstarch mask. Beat fresh coconut with 1 tablespoon of oats and half cup of milk in a blender until smooth. Strain to remove the remaining coconut and oatmeal pieces. Then boil the mixture with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch diluted in water. When mixture reaches a creamy consistency, remove the heat and let stand. To make the natural straightener, apply the cream to the hair and cover your head with a cap, leaving the mixture for 25 minutes. Rinse normally at the end of the application. Number 4. Yogurt and egg mask. Beat 1 egg white evenly, add half a cup of yogurt and a quarter cup of mayonnaise. Apply the mixture to your wet hair and cover, leaving it for 30 minutes. Finally, rinse with cold water. Number 5. Beer. To make a natural straightener with beer, simply boil a can of beer over medium heat until the alcohol is eliminated from the liquid. Let it cool and place the solution in a shampoo of your choice.